What's up guys, welcome back. As you can see, we're going to be working on the Chevy Colorado again today. In the last video, I installed the Op7 tailgate light bar and put the stock housings back on, replacing the spider tail lights. Ever since I did that, honestly, they kind of bother me. Halogen lights kind of bother me for whatever reason. So today we're going to be completely renovating the tail lights and installing LASFIT LEDs in the stop lights, turn signals, and the reverse lights, as well as the high mount brake light and the high mount bed lights. So with that being said, let's get into it. Alright, so now that we got the tail light housing off, what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these resistors and we're going to connect it to the ground wire and then the power wire for these lights, and then I'm going to stick it to the side. So once I get this put on, I will come in closer and give you guys a better view of how this is connected. Alright, the next thing we're going to do once you get that set up is I went ahead and got some 3M tape that we're going to secure the resistor to the inside here. Again, I'll give you a closer look once I have that actually plugged in and adhered to the side of the truck. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and put this 3M tape on here. For no reason other than I'm trying to do something to the truck. So we got the lights in, tap them with the resistors. We mounted the resistors, wait for this truck to go by. Anyways, like I was saying, so we got the LED lights in, we got the resistors mounted, they're tapped into the lights, and we replaced the reverse lights. So let's check out how that looks. Alright, so we're going to repeat what we did for this taillight on this side.